Welcome back to Drive Your Logic. Today I am going to tell you how to make the trigonometry table. You don't have to learn this, just you have to understand the concept. So first you write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you divide all these by 4 and then square root. So you will get the value for sine theta after solving this line. Okay, so first you have to solve this to get all sine theta's values, that is sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. So now I will get the answer for sine. So 0 by 4, you just do the square root, you will get 0. 1 by 4 means 1 by root 4, and that is 1 by 2. So in this way you get the value of sine theta. And then after you get all the value of sine theta in reverse order, means from 90 degree to 0 degree, you write for cos theta. That means sine 90 is same as cos 0 degree. So just see, you will understand. You write down the answer in reverse order and you will get cos theta. And for tan theta, you need to divide. That means sine theta value divide by cos theta value, you will get tan theta. So in this way, you have to fill the table for tan theta. Once you make this table, it will be very easy to solve trigonometry with values. So degree, when you will get trigonometry with degrees like tan, 45 degree or whatever, you can easily do it. Now, cot theta is what? Opposite of tan. Not opposite, actually it is reciprocal of tan theta. So whatever value you are getting in tan theta, just reciprocal the value and you will get cot theta. Cos theta, reciprocal the value, you will get sec theta. In this way you can get all the values of sec theta. Just reverse the number, means the fraction, and then sine, just reverse the fraction, you will get cosec theta. And 0, see, sine 0 degree is 0, so just reverse it, you will get undefined because you cannot define it, you cannot divide, right? So that's why undefined sign is, many are undefined sign are there, like tan 90 is there, cot 0 degree is there. So I hope you understood. Take care and wait for my next video. Tada!